In this tutorial, I'll show you how to quickly reset a modern Roblox dynamic head avatar back to the classic default head using a simple script change. First, I have a dummy rig NPC character in my game. Inside a script, I'm loading a modern Roblox avatar style using a humanoid description. When I click play, you can see the dummy character now uses the new dynamic head system. This system was recently updated by Roblox. If we expand the character and look inside the head, you'll notice a FaceControls object. This allows you to control facial animation parameters. For example, I can close one eye, move the jaw down. You can see the face changes in real time. Now let's reset the head back to the classic Roblox head. Go to your script where the humanoid description is defined. Find the description variable. Then set description.head equals 0. This tells Roblox not to use a dynamic head asset. Now click play again. And you'll see the dummy character now uses the classic default head instead of the dynamic animated head. We can check that by go to head folder, and the face control object no longer exists. If you don't like the default classic one, you also can choose another classic head style from Marketplace. Open Roblox Marketplace website, then select body type, choose classic head. Click on the classic head you want, then copy it ID. Now go back to the script and replace 0 number by new ID number. You can get the final script in the description. Play again, and congratulations! We have new classic head style applied. And that's the quickest way to reset a modern Roblox avatar head back to the classic one using a script. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Roblox scripting tutorials.